Alam niyo po, napakaganda po ng inyong sagot. Sana hindi one-sided ang ating persecution. Ano? Kasi, alam niyo, pag kayo ang pagpabor sa inyo, alam niyo, bawal po ang ginagawa.
Kindly maintain
Presiding
order
officer,
within the
bawal po
court.
ang ginagawa nitong nasa harap natin, nagkukomento.
Kindly maintain order in the court. The Sergeant at Arms, by authority of the Senate President, is directed to kindly maintain
Hindi po
order in the
sila
court.
allowed mag-ingay. Korte po ito.
Thank you. You may proceed, Senator Judge. Who was speaking?
Ako po,
You may proceed, Senator Judge.
I was
Padilla.
interrupted.
With due
English.
apologies.
And then regarding naman po specifically yung comment ni Senator Padilla na sana daw hindi one-sided yung prosecution daw po. Ano po yung reaction doon since parang umingay po sa loob ng session hall when that was said?
Well, with all due respect kay Senator Judge Robin Padilla, no? Apparently, this impeachment trial is adversarial. Maliwanag yun. Kaya merong prosecution is to establish the case. Kaya may defense is to defend the innocence of the respondent, no? So, it is very much anticipated that the prosecution is biased towards presenting the case. Presenting the evidence, no? Siguro mas nakakapagtaka pag naging neutral ang prosecution. At lalong nakakapagtaka kung i-defend namin yung respondent, no? So,
I think Kong Jinky is very diplomatic, no? In her answer. Kasi ako, maginoo pero medyo bastos tayo. No? But I've always said that sometimes the Senate impeachment hearings are in black and white. And we're very appreciative that Senator Robin always brings color and surprise and excitement. It's as if, especially if he's the last one to manifest, nagigising po kaming lahat. Kanina talaga nagigising kaming lahat. At pinagalitan pa kami sa front row. So, may I use this opportunity to apologize to Senator Judge Robin. There was no intent to disrespect him. Kaya lang, syempre, pag lawyer ka at nasa litigation ka, i-emote ka mag-i-emote ka, no? Alam naman nila yung, hindi naman emote na drama, pero it is an instinctive reaction. There was really no intent to disrespect him when he said, lalong-lalo na yung mga nasa front row, nagtinginan kaming ganyan, yung pala kami yun, nasa front row. So, Senator Robin, sabi mo, kaibigan tayo, forgive na lang. Hindi na kami uulit dyan. Pero, the prosecution really is for the prosecution. And the defense is for the defense. Hindi ba? Ganon. As we say, it is the nature of the beast.
Senator Judge must be the one who is neutral.
Okay.
Yung siguro sinasabing dapat neutral, that applies to Senator Judges.
Ang quote dyan, talbog rin sa inyo. Talbog sa inyo. I mean, if you're saying that to us, we're saying it back to you. No? It goes back to you. The issue of bias also. We're bouncing back the question, back to you. That's tama ba is talbog? Correct, is talbog, no? So,
Ibalik lang natin doon sa tamang konteksto, no? Of course, with due courtesy to Senator Robin, nirirespeto naman natin yung kanyang pananaw na parang one-sided, no, ang prosecution. Pero ibalik natin, ang Kongreso ang siyang tumanggap ng impeachment complaint sang-ayon sa konstitusyon. Tiningnan kung may complaint ba kumpleto sa forma at may basihan at nakita at sinang-ayunan ng 257 congressman na isumiti yung articles of impeachment. Ibig sabihin, ang Kongreso na ngayon, ang prosecutor o yung magre-representa ng mga nagreklamo at sang-ayon doon sa mga nakitang pwede, may probable cause. Ngayon ay naiakyat iyan sa korte na ang Senado in this case. Dito naman sa korte, talagang bubuksan mo na ang lahat ng pruweba na ipapakita ng prosecution para i-confirm or sang-ayunan or tuldukan yung mga reklamo at patotohanan yung mga reklamo. Yung defense naman ay yung akusado kung saan, in its word itself, defense, dedepensa. Yan po ang sitwasyon. Ang neutral ay ang senator judges kasi kailangan nilang pakinggan, i-analyze, pag-aralan, pagdebatihan ang lahat na related sa kaso para magdesisyon. Hindi pwedeng maging biased ang senator judges, pero ang defense talagang ididepensahan nila ang akusado. Ang prosecutor naman ay siya ang magtutulak para i-prove na meron silang tamang kaso. Yan po ang sitwasyon. Siguro, baka nasobrahan ng galing no, ng ating mga prosecutors, kakibat ang ating private volunteer prosecutors. Kasi syempre, nakita siguro ng ating isang senator judge, hindi lang siguro isa, baka nakita ng karamihan na talagang solid ang ebidensya, hindi pwedeng malihis, hindi pwedeng mahinto, kailangan ipagpatuloy at kailangang tuldukan. Kaya nirerespeto namin si Senator Robin Padilla, pero ibalik natin, ano ba ang nararapat, ano ang dapat at saan ito patungo?
Follow-up question lang po, attorney, ano po ba yung instinctive reaction that Senator Robin reacted to? Ano po yung nangyayari sa front row?
Hindi ko na maalala kasi wag na lang kasi kami sa front row kasi alam namin nakikita kami sa camera na trying to behave kami. Trying to behave. Kaya lang minsan mahirap mag-behave kasi you react as a lawyer, no? You react kasi yung years of experience namin. Parang sa korte yan, di ba nanonood naman kayo ng mga court scenes, no? Di ba? Yung mga ibang lawyers pa nga, nagpa-pound on the table. Objection, Your Honor, yung mga ganyan. Kanya, nakaganyan na lang ako, nagdadasal na lang ako para hindi ako mag-react. No? But, you know, it is not out of disrespect. It is because of our years of training where we instinctively react to what we think is wrong or to what we think is unfair. As I've said before, we cannot, unlike, if it were the defense, for instance, we're prosecution, if it were the defense who made a statement or who made an unfair allegation, we can contest it. Kaya lang pag senator judges, syempre hindi pwede. So, and that is why sometimes a reaction is more visual than vocal.
Sorry po. Very brief follow-up din since related naman po ito doon. I'd like to address this question po to Attorney Lorna Kapunan kasi you've been in the legal practice po no for almost 5 decades. Since you're a veteran litigator po, sa inyong personal na pananaw, was Senator Robin Padilla's questioning of Representative Luis Rocanina was a fair question? Kasi at one point may sinabi pa po siya na wala kang karapatang magtanong. Patas po ba yun? Balanse po ba yun para sa isang normal na court procedure?
Alam mo, the problem with us lawyers, no? Was a request for clarification. Yes.
I didn't know exactly whether he was asking a question or he was manifesting. Kasi at one point, he was talking about the witnesses, our witnesses. And then suddenly, he was talking about the senators who have pending cases. That's why I tried to seek for clarification.
Patas po ba yun, Attorney Kapunan?
Let me just say this, no, as a general strategy, no. Alam nyo, sabi namin ng mga lawyers, if you are weak on the facts, argue on the laws. If you're weak on the law, if you're weak on the facts and the law, go against the person. So, ang nangyayari po ngayon, sana, if there is a perception that we're very strong on the facts. That's why nagsishift sila sa law. But now that it seems that there's also weakness in the law, nagsishift na ang defense sa personalities, no? Attacking the credibility of our witnesses, attacking some persons who are not even our witnesses, like to say that they committed crime or they are not worthy to be, they're not credible, no? Merong ang inatake na cited for perjury na hindi naman naming witness. And when that failed, there was an attack on our earlier two witnesses, saying that maniniwala ba kayo sa even the two earlier witnesses, no, who were credible and competent. The attack now was on their may conviction or may kaso and all that, which is why we very welcome the statement of Kong Jinky when she says they have been vetted and there are no pending cases or convictions against them. And citing the law also, Chair Jinky did say that pending case will not, if there is no crime, conviction for a crime of moral turpitude, it will not affect your credibility as a witness.
Good evening po, ma'ams. Regarding po dun sa, yun nga po, dapat ang senator judges yung neutrality, pero ang nakakitaan ng neutrality, pero nasa ikasyam na araw pa lang po tayo ng impeachment trial, nakikita na po natin na it seems like may nagde-defend sa Vice President justifying her acts against the sheriff, etc. Can we say at this point in time, mas difficult ma-attain yung conviction against the Vice President because of these biases na nakikita na po sa senator judges?
Yeah.
Personally, I don't think so. Kanya-kanyang style yan eh. Minsan ginagawa ng isang judge yan para hindi siya mabasa. At yung mga katanungan naman nila, it can always be geared towards meron silang gustong i-attain or pwede rin na kunyari hindi nila alam. Pero what they're doing is actually observing the body language of the witnesses and even the prosecutors. Kasi kitang-kita naman nila yan na kapag walang itinatago, lalong-lalo na yung ebidensya. So nananaig pa rin kami na solido ang ating Senado at ang impeachment court, whether they will give a verdict of guilty or not guilty, yun ay magiging sang-ayon sa pagpresenta ng mga dokumentong magbibigay, maglalatag ng ebidensya headed by our prosecutor, Jervil Jinky Luistro.